Meanwhile, Independence Day was celebrated in several parts of the state. At Nongstoin, Meghalaya Minister for Water Resources Brolding Nongsie hoisted the tricolour at St. Peter's Higher Secondary School playground, Pendengray. At Tura, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong hoisted the national flag and received a salute from the police contingent, paramilitary forces and others. The 181 BSF celebrated Independence Day at Sector Headquarters at Tura. Mayank Upadhyay, Commandant of the Sector Headquarters, hoisted the tricolour. Reports from Independence Day celebrations from district headquarters, namely Joai and Nongpo, also came in. In Shillong City, the day was celebrated at Meghalaya High Court and in the offices of the North Eastern Council, Income Tax, All India Radio, Doordarshan, Holy Child School and KV Shillong. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee and the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh celebrated Independence Day by holding two separate bike rallies in the capital city.